back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is from the company Intuit for TurboTax. Intuit owns multiple brands of different software solutions, but TurboTax is one of the main ones that they own and operate, and it is tax time here in the United States. They are hiring directly tax associates to work from home. Now, I've seen other job leads going around where you can work for Intuit or TurboTax, but it's through other companies like Working Solutions or Rise. This one is directly through Intuit themselves, so they are hiring you on as a direct employee. There is no other third company. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the links are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But it does say it's available to work remotely throughout the United States, including these locations. And when you click that, there is literally so many locations listed. It doesn't look like they have any state restrictions whatsoever. This job lead is going to be for those of you who do have past experience preparing tax returns. Maybe you used to work seasonally for H&R Block or something in the offices. That used to be big a long time ago. You went and sat down in H&R Block and had your taxes done. But you don't want to sit in an office with people. You want to work from home doing those tax returns online. That is what this is. Of course, when you scroll down the page, it tells you a little bit about the role. They are looking for someone to work directly with customers to answer simple tax questions and help them prepare their returns. You'll have access to their tools and resources, as well as opportunities to collaborate with experts and provide updates on assigned customers. So you are going to have to communicate with customers, but it is all going to be done from your home. And on this page that is linked in the YouTube description box, after you scroll down past the benefits, they do offer a benefit package including paid time off, 401k, all of the things. There's a little link here that says view full job description. If you click that, more stuff opens up, but they are looking for somebody who has a minimum of 3 seasons of tax preparation experience. Someone who has a college degree is a plus, but it is not required. You do have to have a P10 under your name, though. Of course, you have to have knowledge of tax laws and familiarity with the 1040 form and different schedules that have to be included. You have to have great customer service skills, great problem solving and critical thinking skills, and of course, you have to be friendly and reassuring on camera. So it sounds like when you are working with the customers and helping them do their tax returns that you might be on like a Zoom call or something that requires you to be on camera. So just know that going in. On top of compiling and preparing the tax returns for TurboTax customers, again, you'll communicate directly with the customers as needed. You'll coordinate the customer meetings and follow-ups, and you'll also be communicating with credentialed tax experts on assigned customers. Now, one good thing to note about this, they do pay fairly well. They pay anywhere from $19 an hour all the way up to $25 an hour. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience. Now, right under where the pay is listed, if you're interested in this job, they do have their entire hiring process outlined if you want to go read more about that. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for or any suggestions about types of jobs you would like to see on the channel. I'm always trying to mix it up. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.